Hey there, stop! Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to a brand new AI app that finds high traffic and high authority expired domains with over 100,000 strong backlinks and instantly clones and hosts any website on it with a simple URL and instantly ranks it on the first page of Google with done-for-you SEO optimized long form, hundreds of daily automated contents and blog posts in less than 60 seconds. And the best part, you can even sell these high traffic and high authority domains with done-for-you SEO optimized contents on Fiverr, Upwork, and Flippa while earning an extra $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity? Look, the demand for high traffic getting domains with self-updating automated contents is all-time high, with no signs of slowing down. And to your surprise, the expired domain industry is not just thriving, it's exploding in growth like never before. And, as per the latest report by Forbes in 2024, the expired domain plus website cloning industry is worth over $232 billion and is projected to reach $349 billion by 2027. Over 50,000 high-traffic domains with strong backlinks expires every day, presenting us a golden opportunity to tap into. Currently, there are more than 340 million expired domains with high traffic in the world. And an average expired domain, experts and marketers makes over $100,000 per year. Hence, there is no doubt why finding and selling high-traffic domains with done-for-you, long-form SEO contents is the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the expired domain with strong backlinks, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, finding high-traffic expired domains with done-for-you long-form SEO contents is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Finding high-traffic domains from third-party softwares is very expensive and could cost you $397 monthly. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily find expired domains with over 300,000 strong backlinks and clone and host on any website without spending a single dime? Introducing Domain Blaster, a brand new AI app that finds high traffic and high authority expired domains with over 100,000 strong backlinks and instantly ranks it on the first page of Google with done-for-you, SEO optimized, long form, hundreds of daily automated contents and blog posts, and automatically generates you $500 to $1,000 daily by selling these high demandable expired, aged, and authority domain on Fiverr, Flippa, and Upwork. Finally, this groundbreaking 2024 AI tech lets you find expired and aged domains with over 100,000 strong backlinks. Instantly find and clone any expired website on your domain with all its contents, images, and files. Automatically creates and posts SEO-friendly articles and blog posts regularly. Find high traffic, getting domains with over 1 million monthly visitors and turn them into paying customers with our DFY offers. Effortlessly find and build websites with millions of backlinks and daily traffic in any niche and category you want. Choose from our DFY 10,000 plus stunning website theme templates. Add unlimited custom domains and subdomains without any restrictions. Built-in unlimited lifetime web hosting included with 100% uptime guarantee. Find detailed information about any domain like backlinks, domain birth year, number of crawls, and expired domain date. Rank on the first page of Google with our automated SEO ranking tools. Built-in automatic device responsiveness ensures the website looks good on various devices like desktops, tablets, smartphones. Easily integrate your website with social media platforms for easy sharing and promotion. AI-driven live chat support for real-time assistance. And the best part? You can get all this done in under 60 seconds just with your single keyword. Finally, this next-gen futuristic domain finder AI app lets you say goodbye to the hassle of finding expired domains on your own. Well, Now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary expired domain. Finder and automated SEO content app, while ranking your site on the first page of Google and driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, Domain Blaster is a brand new, game-changing revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you find expired domains with over 100,000 strong backlinks and clones the entire website in under 60 seconds? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to Domain Blaster, just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision. Anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of Domain at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.